Hello dear viewers, I wanted to show you some more details behind these little Commodore PET models that I'm using as terminals throughout the house. The design is kind of neat. It gives you that retro computer feel, and the little tiny screens fit in here perfectly, and it's a little less boring than some of the cases that are just plain boxes. So let me show you the parts to it. These are all 3D printed. First one that you print, and this one I did in silver. This is the frame. So that's the body of it. Let's see. Then there's a piece at the bottom, which kind of go like that. And here's the keyboard tray. So this portion of it will all get super glued together along with the monitor stand, which sits like that. So those parts all get glued up. Then you have the monitor itself, which you have the body here, and then in black printed out this part, which just slips, allegedly slips inside, so you get that nice little bezel for the screen. And on the back of this is the monitor back, which is, I don't glue I glue the black bezel, but I do not glue the back. That way I can get at it if I want to. Also on the base, we've got this base part, which will go here, like that, which I also do not glue. So I don't glue these two back pieces so I can get in there. And then you have the non-functional keyboard, and that, and those just get super glued in place also. So super glue these together, super glue this stuff together. There's the keyboard thing, there it is. That stuff together. Leave the back there. You can glue this on top. Sorry, I had that the wrong way. It goes. No, I had it the right way. There. Ta-da! So those are the parts. You only really need two colors, white and black, or whatever color in black, or whatever colors you want. What I like about these units is that they're perfect for holding these little OLED 1.3-inch OLED displays. This is an all-white display, and the font size I set in software, so you can have small letters. This is just real big because I wanted to show temperature. And the back, you could see tucked in there, super glued, is an ESP 8266 microcontroller with stuff hot glued in there. Because these are so cheap, just leave them in there. It's not something you'd take out. And the one, I print out the silver one because the next version of this, I'm going to put a real-time clock in here so that I will keep track of the time. Reason being is because for the temperature display, sometimes I wouldn't get data and it would keep showing the old temperature even though the temperature might have gone up or down. So having the real-time clock, I could put the last updated time at the bottom so you know if it recently checked it. And yes, even though it is only 45 degrees outside, it is 86 degrees inside the greenhouse. Needless to say, I turned off the heater, but it's still hot. So that's this little Commodore PET model. It's a neat little model. It'll print on a small printer. I printed on the Monoprice Mini Delta, and it just fits, but it fits. That's all for now. Bye-bye.